to this video, I'm going to install the curtain rod and the curtains. So here's the curtain rod right there, and this is the curtain. So there's a few I'm gonna show you guys that. So this is the style. And it looks like a flower, looks like right there. So let's get started and hang this curtain rod. I already marked for the brackets, so now I'm going to drill it. So this is the before without curtain. Bracket is installed. Now we are going to install the stick, that one. Share. Oh my gosh. I'm done hanging the curtain, and this is the curtain looks like when it's closed. And I'm going to open it to show you guys when it's open. So this is done, and later I'm going to transplant lemon seed because I did try to propagate lemon seed. So this is the lemon seed that I tried to germinate, and it's been 8 days. It's past 8 days, and later I'm going to transplant one of them because it's germinate really good. Where is it? Here you go. See? Oh, 3 of them germinate. See, as you can see, here's the seed. So I'm going to show you how did I germinate these lemon seeds from lemon that came from store. And also, I remember last time I did eat the pomegranate, and then so the seeds from the pomegranate I put it in the pot, and one of them germinate. So I did transplant it in the small pot, so we'll see. I'm so excited. So this is how I germinate the lemon seeds. So we got lemon from the store, and then we're going to cut it into half like that, and then you'll find the seeds right here, as you can see, and some more right here. We'll dry this off right there. So in lemon seeds there is a what is called skin, and so we're going to remove that. Here you go. Here you go. That's done. And then let's proceed the other one. Going to do the same thing, and we're going to put this right here, and then we're going to spray with the water. Soak it with water, wet with paper towel. And more water. So I'm gonna put it right here with the other lemon. And this, the old one, I'll keep it because I'm going to transplant later. And voila! So this is how you germinate lemon seeds. And you're going to wait 8 to 10 days before it germinates. So, yeah, that's how you germinate. So this is our lemon seedlings right here. So this is our pomegranate right here, and our papaya and moringa. I'm going to harvest few kangkong to put it in my dinner. This is the kangkong that I harvested a while ago. And the stem, I put it right here. And I soak it with the water. Because I can plant this after maybe 1 to 2 weeks. I haven't tried it, but we'll see. It looks like you're propagating kangkong. And so I'm soaking it with water. I'm going to plant this in the pot, so when it's winter, I can put this in the garage. Okay, let's put it right here. So here's our tomato, our propagated tomato, and this is our kangkong, and I'm gonna put it right here. And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy, and thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be updated or notified if I upload a new video. Bye. See you in my next one.